Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can push your code to GitHub. Let's get started. First, open github.com in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select your repositories. On the top right of the repositories page, you'll see a green New button. Click it to create a new repository where you'll upload your code. On the new repository screen, enter a repository name and, if you want, add a short description of your project. Choose whether you want the repository to be public or private. Then, tick the option to add a README file. Scroll down and click Create Repository. Now your repository is ready. To upload your code, click Add File at the top right of the repository page and choose Upload Files. From here, you can either drag and drop your files or click Choose Your Files to select them from your computer. If your project contains many files or images, the upload may take some time. Once everything is uploaded, scroll down and click Commit Changes. That's it. Your code is now successfully uploaded to GitHub. You can view, edit, and share it with others anytime. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.